Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Okay. Okay, go. Ready? Go, Matt. Go.
Days of the week. Days of the week. There's Tuesday, Monday. There's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week.
Yay!
One more time. Pink,
Okay.
pink, yellow, and red.
Yes, those are the colors. Okay, go.
Pink, yellow. No, that's not yellow.
That's not yellow?
Yellow and red.
Yes.
These are red. These are red. Rose. These are yellow. These are yellow. Green. These are pink. I see that shop.
That's a different song?
Yeah, that's a song.
All right. What's my name?
Jill.
Jill. What's your name?
I'm ready.
What's your brother's name? What's your boys' names?
Different street.
What's your sister's name?
Amanda.
What's your daddy's name?
I'm Fritz.
What's your doggy's name?
I'm Daisy.
What's your bunny's name?
I'm Second.
What are your fishies' names?
Baby and Christy and Monkey and big one and green one
And a big one.
and a big one too.
A
Two
big-
big ones
Two big ones.
and two little ones.
What's your little kitty cat's name?
Emily.
Emily? That's Ella's kitty cat. What's your kitty cat's name? Didn't you name her for? Ella, can you... What? Go unlock the doors for the boys. Okay, say bye.
Bye. Bye. Wait.